Welcome guys, today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how you can find, open and customize sound equalizer of this FreeBuds. So at the first you have to be connected with the Huawei AI Live application. If you don't know how to make it, you can find this tutorial video on our YouTube channel. Next, you have to open your earbuds, so click on them once. And right now just scroll down a little bit until you find the sound effects. As you can see, we can find 4 default presets. We can switch them by tapping on each one. This mark shows you which one is right now activated. You can also create your own by tapping on this plus. And as you can see right here, we can adjust each parameter that we want by moving the sliders. If you want to save, just tap right here. We can create 2 different, click save, and right now we can also switch between them. You are also able to remove them or reset the parameters by tapping right here. If you want to remove, tap on the right upper corner and click to remove, click OK. And that's basically how we can find the sound equalizer and how we can adjust these parameters. You are also able to switch this current audio codec from AAC to it's not working actually, but on my private smartphone, the Zenfone 7 Pro, there is also LDAC, so it probably depends on the technology on the phone, but never mind. And there is also some kind of the option that's HD voice feature. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.